So as you can see over here on my screen, right, in the current week we had these sales on Clickbank over here. And the reason I'm showing you this is so you can see exactly, once you have the right message to the market match, once you understand who is your target audience, what emotional states they're in, you will be able to get these kind of results, as you can see over here, right? Of course, if you're a beginner, I would suggest you let's start slow and get to your first 100 or 300 euros or dollars per day in profit, sustainable income, okay? And then over here, as you can see, you can start having these kind of results, okay? So the most important thing is, if you want to stay compliant and have sustainable, stress-free results with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2025, is to have someone who can help you exactly one-on-one, step by step, to show exactly what actually works and what actually converts in 2025. Okay, so as you watch this video, there's going to be my Instagram, as you can see over here. Here is my Instagram, right? You can see, so you can reach out to me over here later if you have any questions. You have my WhatsApp number, my email, my Facebook Messenger, and you can reach out to me. Okay, if you're really serious, if you really want to take it to the next level, okay, if you want to have this kind of results, as you can see over here, so let me know. Okay, let me know, and let's make something happen.